In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folders in Wrike. Whether you're looking to better organize your projects or simply tidy up your workspace, shifting folders to new locations in Wrike is a handy skill to master. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you regularly use. Once it's open, navigate to your search engine of choice and type in Wrike. You'll want to go directly to the Wrike homepage, and if you're not already logged in, you'll see options to either log in or try Wrike for free. For existing users, proceed by clicking Log In. If you're new, feel free to explore the Try Wrike for free option to set up an account and get a glimpse of how Wrike works. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the folder you wish to move. You can do this through the folder navigation pane, which you'll find in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. It's essentially your project hub, detailing all spaces, folders, and projects you have access to. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific folder you want to relocate. Once you've found your target folder, it's time to physically move it. To do this, you'll click and hold on the folder you want to move. As you hold the click, you'll have the ability to drag the folder across your workspace. Now, decide on where you'd like to relocate the folder. This could be within another folder, space, or even a project, depending on how you wish to reorganize your work. As you drag the folder over to your desired destination, watch for the blue line and border that appear around the title of the space, folder, or project. This visual cue is incredibly useful as it indicates the exact destination where the folder will be dropped. Adjust as necessary to ensure that the folder lands exactly where you intend. Finally, once you are satisfied with the location previewed by the blue border, you can complete the move by simply releasing the mouse button. Voila! The folder will now seamlessly integrate into its new location as a subfolder. And there you have it. Your folder has been successfully moved, and your Wrike workspace is one step closer to achieving organizational zen. If you ever need to move it again, simply repeat these steps. This straightforward drag-and-drop functionality in Wrike streamlines your workflow process, giving you more time to focus on your projects rather than on folder logistics. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!